I am back to travel the world, and this is the starting of a multi-country trip series. Super excited for this one. I am going to be heading out to Indonesia, then Thailand, and after that Bahrain. So it's gonna be so much fun. Stay tuned and keep watching my channel. I am in Los Angeles airport. I actually stayed a night here because obviously San Luis does not have a direct flight. So I stayed a night here, and now I'm flying from here to Manila, which is in Philippines, and then from Philippines to Manila, Philippines to Jakarta. So yeah, it's gonna be so much fun. Going to my next flight, Manila to Jakarta. The way the airport, Jakarta airport, is beautiful. They designed it really good. It looked like a jungle or like grass design, and it just looks so beautiful. I'm rich. $1 up here is 15,000. Literally $1 in Jakarta is 15,000. So I literally have like, I don't know, I'm a millionaire in here. I don't know. Arrived to the hotel. Look at this hotel, so beautiful. So this is my room for 3 nights. Nice and clean, good to go. And this is the view. Oh, look at this. So beautiful. The greenery looks so good. I'm gonna go downstairs to eat. So I'm ready to go. I literally came back and then slept for so long after the breakfast, and I'm just like so tired with you know, and then jet lag. So yeah, I'm ready to go to explore the city. So here we go. Okay, so I just came out. This is my hotel. It's quite greenery. That I didn't expect that it will be this much greenery here, to be honest. Nice looking. Oh, they have the rakshas. Okay, we're gonna be sitting in this. Let's do it. Ah, that is so cool. I am sitting in Raksha, like after like 2 years. Raksha in Pakistan, we call it Raksha. I think other places it's called tuk tuk. I'm not sure what they call here, but in Indonesia. But yeah, it's always fun to like use Raksha because it's fun to explore. Super excited. My smile is just like that because it's just so much fun. After you it just realized me how much I love this part of the world. Like the minute I just came out from my hotel, I just kind of like realized how much I love this part of the world, like the Asia. I love Asia. Like it's just so much fun. Okay, so I'm here, I believe. This is the place. It's called, no, thank you. It's called the Istiklal Mosque. That's the one of the biggest mosque in South Asia. So we have mosque right here, right? The biggest mosque. Right next to it, there's a cathedral. So like two different, religion people can worship. Right there, cathedral and mosque. So it's really kind of like fascinating that it's right opposite side of each other. Mosque was really beautiful. The architecture was really like awesome, and it was just different than like a lot of mosques I have seen. Oh. Got it. Did it. This is Karachi ka Munda. Did it. So now we're gonna go to the cathedral and see how's that. Okay, it's quite an old one. Look at this. Okay, so I just went there. Cathedral. It's quite like, I think it's quite old. Not sure if they preserve it from really old time or what. Gonna explore and probably going to try to see if I can eat something. Okay, so these are the stalls. Not sure what is that. What is this? Toku. Gulu Guru. Gulu Guru. What is in? Like cheese? What is it? Like what is made of? No, I know that, but like
No chicken.
no chicken.
Tepung atok pote.
Okay. This is what I got. I don't know. What is it? Tulur Gulu. Tulur Gulu. That's what it called. Tulur Gulu. I don't know what is this. It's like something sweet, I believe. This looks delicious. There's a lot of sautés I didn't try yet, but I'm gonna try in just a second. It's called chicken satay, right? Chicken satay. Okay. And you just eat it like this? Okay, cool. Thank you. Okay, so I got the chicken satay. I'm super excited to try. It's like a barbecue. Okay, so I'm super excited to try it and see how it is. It's really good. It's like a mixture of sweet and sour. It's really good. I like it. Okay, so the next dish is these rice. The like Indonesian style rice. It's called nasi goreng kampung. I can't even pronounce it right, but that's how it's called, I believe. Okay, I'm gonna try it. Let's see how it is. I'm super excited to try it. This isn't spicy, but really good. I like it. It's like, to be honest, I like fried rice, but really good. Okay, so I am now going to this launch. It's called Cloud Launch. I explored the city, like local food, and now I'm trying to like go upscale place and try to see how it is. So yeah, let's try it. Look at this view. It's beautiful. I wish they have this